He also was heavily involved in peace studies. And I hope to look at these two people and see how peace can grow from something personal to something institutionalized. I want to see if there can be a peace and justice program, a minor or major, at Stanford. And why am I interested in this? So over the summer, I did research that was funded at the MLK Institute to try and create some sort of program. And so I did very broad-reaching research. I looked at archives of Peter Frank. But I want to focus my research now this quarter because I think if we can look at two people's stories about peace, about justice, we can learn a lot more about the movement and about the field as a whole. We can learn what Gandhi described peace and justice as a science. So there are a couple of ways I want to go about this. I want to look more into archives like that of Peter Frank. I also want to conduct personal interviews because I think with this anecdotal approach, I want to get into personal stories and personal anecdotes. So I want to interview Byron Bland, and I want to also try and interview Peter Frank, and a few people who also worked at United Campus Christian Ministry. And I hope by looking at their stories, we can learn more about what makes peace and justice studies such a promising field, or if indeed it cannot be such an academic program at Stanford, though there are many other programs across the nation and across the world.
Thank you, Cole.